Hello everyone, my name is Matt Rule, and today the collaborative tool that I'm going to be discussing with you is Flickr. This was my first opportunity actually using this software, so I was excited to see what it was all about. So I'm going to start off by giving you a little bit of just general information about the program. First off, it is an online-based tool, which makes it advantageous in terms of that it can be used in or on any type of platform, whether that is on a computer, whether it is on a tablet or a cell phone. It is also a free collaborative tool, which means that there is no annual fee incorporated with it, that it is free to use, which allows it to be a little bit more easily accessible in terms of incorporating it into your classroom. When it comes to creating an account, you did have to fill out some general information such as your name, email address, date of birth, and gender. It does then send you an email address with a confirmation code that you must verify. Therefore, to have a Flickr account, you must have an operational email address. That's one of the things that you do need. And in general, the Flickr is a social networking community that you can upload pictures and share those pictures with a public network. In terms of the collaborative features, when looking at Table 5.3 in Rice, the chapter for Rice book, the first thing that stuck out to me was the fact that it is definitely a shared resource. It allows students to be able to publicly share the photos that they upload. You can share the pictures. You can search for people. You can search for specific pictures. You can search for groups in different subcategories that you may be interested in. So it's definitely a sharing type of collaborative tool. And the second attribute was outreach and authentic learning experiences. The reason that I went for this as well is because of the social networking aspects of it, with you being able to join different groups and see pictures from different people from around the world, and also referencing uh, Rice's chapter talking about the greater accountability that students would have as they post pictures because their pictures would be public and be able to be seen by others. It creates a greater sense of accountability because of the pictures being able to be viewed by others. Looking at the social presence model, the first aspect of that is effective association. Ways that I thought that this specific tool related to that would be that students would be able to share similar interests with their classmates depending on the pictures that they uploaded. They could kind of see what their classmates were interested in and build that bond. The next one, in terms of the community cohesion, it allows the students to share with each other as well as a worldwide community, and you can either create your own groups or you can join groups with common interests. For interaction intensity, this is something that you can have as much involvement in or as little as you would like by creating your own groups or joining groups, following specific people, sharing pictures of your own. You can have as much involvement as you would like really on this type of platform. Knowledge and experience. It would give people the opportunity to be able to share pictures of different experiences that they've had and convey knowledge that they may have on specific topics through pictures, or if they found a good resource helping to explain something, they'd be able to upload it there as well. And for instructor investment, I think this would be a great opportunity for the teacher to be able to share their own photos, use it as an opportunity to share examples of work, both good and bad, as well as present personal interests. So you can build that personal relationship with your students and allow them to connect with you as the teacher a little bit more. In terms of incorporating it into my class, I think it would be a great get to know you activity by having students post different pictures of interest that they may have, activities that they're involved in, any sports that they are a part of, those types of things. With me being a tech ed teacher, I think it would also be a great opportunity for students to be able to utilize this as keeping a portfolio of pictures of projects that they've made, whether it's in just my class or throughout other tech ed classes or over their high school career, anything like that, so they can look back and see all the projects that they have completed, or use it as a classroom gallery, allowing me to be able to highlight different projects or things that students have been doing in my class, or project documentation and progression. So as they are constructing a project, going through and documenting the process that and steps that they went through in order to be able to complete it. So taking an actual look at the program itself, here is the home page. If I click this Flickr at the top left, it will take me to a main feed with a bunch of different groups that I can join and pictures of people or that people have added. Here is the all activity with similar types of things, different pictures that people have added. When you look at your specific account up here, if I click on this, you have different categories as well. With the about, you can write a little bit about yourself. You can showcase different pictures that explain things about you. You can see data about photos that you've already uploaded. You can have a photo stream by creating public photos. You can make albums as well to categorize the photos that you've uploaded. You can also have favorites, create galleries. Here you can see different groups that are available for you to join depending on your interests. You have another cool thing for a teacher could possibly be for your class, create a group, have all of your students join that group, and then whenever someone uploads a picture, you would be notified up here. And then you'll be able to share with your class different things as well. You can also have stats depending on what you share, so you can see exactly how many views you've received to make sure that your students are actually viewing the things that you're posting. You have a camera roll as well, just showing you all of the pictures that you have uploaded onto the program. So overall, I think Flickr would be a great tool to utilize in your classroom. I think it would really help to minimize the transactional distance that can occur in the online setting, and I'm excited to start using it.